How can we implement and evaluate the solution? The final step of this decision-making model is to implement the solution and evaluate how well it addressed the problem. Of course, the implementation and evaluation of any solution is a complex process with many moving parts. This is a complex step in the decision-making process. It involves change management, motivation, communication, and many of the other topics studied by OB researchers. For now, we need to keep a few things in mind when we implement our solution. It's important to involve key stakeholders in this step, just as we have done in the other steps. We can also break the implementation stage into smaller chunks and celebrate each success with the people involved. If we find that the solution isn't working like we had planned, we can always stop and reevaluate the problem and our decision. We can't let an escalation of commitment lead us to continue with a solution that doesn't solve our problem. An important point to know is that evaluation is a part of the entire decision-making process. Unfortunately, this step does not often receive the same attention as other aspects of the decision-making process. Sometimes it's skipped altogether. It should be done before, during, and after we implement the solution. We should always evaluate what we are thinking and doing to make sure it is the right thing to do and in the best interests of the organization and our followers. Evaluation is also essential to the implementation of a solution. Throughout the change process, we can assess the success of the solution and make adjustments accordingly. Continuous and frequent evaluation is important to the success of many OB interventions. The research is clear that we can improve our decision-making capabilities if we actively learn from our mistakes and identify what worked well so that we can add it to our managerial toolkit. A common tool used by managers and organizations to evaluate the success of some event or change is called an after-action review. This is a tool that uses reflection and critical analysis to help us learn what went well and what could be improved. We can ask questions like, what was our objective? What did we set out to accomplish? Did we reach our objective? What actually happened? Is there a gap between our objective and what actually happened? If yes, what might be causing the gap? Why did the solution fail to solve the problem? What went well? What would we want to repeat in the future? What did not go well? How could we improve each of these weaknesses in the future? And what else is important about this event? The next time you find yourself needing to make a decision or solve a problem, refer to models like this one to help you navigate the process. No matter what steps are involved, remember to involve key stakeholders and ask for feedback throughout the process.